Hello, I'm Mr. Woodman and I want to show you how to make different images with different numbers on many pages. Let's make some layout. Just draw any rectangle and add some text. I add maybe this pattern. Let's paint some outline and fill maybe like this. Okay, this is normal. Next step is group. We group this image and need to place onto page, maybe by hand, maybe by repeat with Ctrl R and again Ctrl R. This is okay. This is normal layout for one page, but we need many pages, for example 10 pages. Okay, also group and repeat 10 times. We have 10 layouts with some pattern. Okay, let's go to replace with some numbers. Go to page nest and pattern like this. Start from 100, step, digit, 5 digits. Okay. After we make all layouts, we need ungroup all objects. Ungroup, Ctrl U, select all text, maybe like this, and click numbering. We need to wait some time, and after all we have numbering of all objects, 100, 101 and etc. After it we select all objects and go to group tool, push autogroup. This will group all objects touching each other. This is one group, this is also group. We have 10 objects, 10 groups, and let's make 10 pages. This is also done with one click. Go to the print tool and push the button to all. We have 10 pages with all objects. It's done. Be creative.